Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Vinny.
And today we're going to talk about the CCL short that I had called. We're getting a lot of people asking, hey, what happened? What's going on? And I'm here to tell you, stop losses are important because I actually did not get killed. We're going to take a look at it. Maybe.
Two Super Guys Trade Stocks.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I blacked out their names because I don't want to be a dick.
Yeah.
But there's a lot more. Some of them deleted based off my reply because I was like, oh, I didn't lose any money. I'll show you. But it was like, how's your short position working out now? And it ran over 13% over this last month. They would be ground into dust if they took your advice. One, why are you taking our advice? Probably shouldn't. Well, I don't know what I'm doing. But essentially, we looked at, and I'm not trying to start a war here. This is actually super important because I learned this from Fubo. This is a lesson I learned and now practice. If anyone doesn't know, Fubo, I got fucked on and lost so much money because I did not respect a stop loss. We did a video on how Carnival is actually worth more money in enterprise value now than before COVID because of all their stock splits and how eventually this is going to crash and burn, right?
Decent chance.
Yeah.
I didn't listen to the report from quarterly earnings from last week, but it's one I haven't gotten to yet. But I don't know. It's still very suspicious about paying that much money for a company with this many issues, that much debt and dilution.
That much debt is the problem. So now I'm looking at 20. I'm still going to short this, just so you guys know. So can you see my mouse?
Mm-hmm.
So I had a stop loss at this line, 1262. We did the video June 5th. Okay. So essentially, this is my stop loss. This type of trade is a low risk, high reward, but it has a very low win percentage, meaning you'll lose 10 or 20 bucks, but can make 500. It just, so you may lose 10 and then one will make up for the last 10 and then make you the next 20. So it's a little bit frustrating. But if you stick to your stop loss, it doesn't matter, right?
Okay.
So this green arrow, all these green arrows are where I entered, okay? So green arrow is right at that line, okay, right at that stop loss, and it opened higher the next day. I sold the open. I'm going to show you exactly what I made and lost in all these. Spoiler alert, I didn't lose anything. But I think on that one I lost like $12, right? Because it already opened higher. My thesis is dead. It's over, just leave. And, I would rather not make a lot of money than lose a bunch of money. So that's the thought. Then the next day, it actually opened lower than the previous day. So I entered again. And then the following day, right here, boom, opened higher, out, left again.
Nice.
Outsies. You can see in these two, I entered at about the top of this candle. It did not open higher. I added to that, and then I left down here. And unfortunately, I got stopped out at break even. And this volume bar screwed me over because it ruined my stop loss, the theta decay, which I'm going to show you. So here is all of my shorts. All right. This is kind of a confusing screen here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, right here, you can still see my mouse, right? No, you can't.
Mm-hmm.
You can now. Okay. Don't worry about these. So if you do the math, I actually made like 120 bucks on this trade. This is from March. I would still call this a break even. That it didn't work. I make 20%? Yes. But with this strategy, it should be like 200 or 300, not 20. I left because of I started to enter a theta decay zone that I don't like. So I called it. So June 6th, bought for 110. And then I sold down here 96. Whopping 14 bucks gone. I did it again, lost $24. I did it again the same day. It went my direction, so I set to break even, and I lost. So made $2. Okay. And then the fourth one, right up here.
Made 29.
Keeps going away. Yeah, up here. you can see I made a bunch on the one contract. So my rule is once I hit 20%, I sell one of the contracts or half of the contracts, and I set the rest half to break even. Unfortunately, I was a little slow that day to actually set it to break even, and the volume was crazy. So this break even was not break even. All told, not including the successful $100 short, I lost $7.
Perfect.
So yeah, the lesson: stop losses are really important because I would be screwed right now.
Or in other words, plan your trade and trade your plan. Stick to it.
Ooh, that was pretty.
Like
Yeah, that's true. That's a good one. But yeah, it's really really important. I did not follow that strategy on Fubo, and I'm like, maybe if I average down, don't fucking average down. Just let my loss be your lesson. So yeah, didn't lose money, but I do kind of want to short around 20, and it's going to be the same exact strategy. But
Love it.
you got anything?
All right. Yeah, Nclh short might be coming up sometime soon too because they popped 20% today.
Already started. All right.
Catch you next one.
Bye, guys.